Yeah, hi everyone. Welcome to PrepFusion. And first of all, a very happy new year to everyone. So, in this video, what we are going to do, we are going to discuss the complete plan, a complete roadmap. You guys are entering into fourth semester, some guys are entering into sixth semester. So, for the college going students, we are discussing the complete plan starting right from the beginning. Some guys would be thinking to prepare for GATE examination, some guys would be thinking to prepare for internships, and sixth semester guy would be thinking to prepare for placements, and some guys would be thinking to prepare all together GATE, internships, and placements. So everything we are going to cover one by one. We are going to cover. First, we are going to see some usual tips like which will be working for everyone, and then I will make the section. Okay. So in this video only you will get some timestamps. There I will talk about like fourth semester guys who are going to prepare for GATE and placements or internship. Then sixth semester guys. So I will make the sections in whatever the category that you are falling in. You can watch that particular part, and rest of the part you can ignore. But initially we are going to talk about some general strategies, some general queries, or some general things which everyone should be watching. Okay, so these are the must do things. What are the must do things that you should be studying at least 4 hours per day? This is for GATE guys. Okay, those who are preparing for GATE and placements, for them you need to study 4 hours per day at least. If you are someone who is only preparing for placements or internships, then 3 hours may also work. But in general I am saying that 4 hours you should study every day. Okay, and in a week I will try to get 30 hours, efficient 30 hours I will try to get, because on weekends I can study more, right? So efficient 30 hours I can get, right? This would be my target. Now it might happen that sir some college days are hectic, sir, there was some class tests, then sir there were some assignments, some things would be there. Okay, hectic days would be there, I understand that, but try getting at least 1 hour every day. Okay, 1 hour you need to get. Even if the day is hectic, try getting 1 hour on that day. If you are able to get 1 hour on that day, then it would be good for you, because we are going to maintain our consistency. We don't want to break our consistency. That would be our target. Okay, so we have to maintain our consistency. Now sir, talking about CGPA, sir, I need to maintain this thing, that thing in college. If you are staying in India, if you are not looking to go abroad for your higher studies, if you are staying in India, anything above 7.5 CGPA would be more than enough. Anything above 7.5 CGPA would be more than enough if you are thinking to stay in India. Okay, so regarding the CGPA, you are not going to you are not going to care about it. If you are preparing for placements, or if you are preparing for internships, or if you are preparing for GATE examination, then I don't think you are thinking to go abroad. So you are thinking to stay in India only. So anything above 7.5 CGPA would work. Now let's just say, sir, I want to go for higher studies in USA after doing job for 2 years. So their CGPA will not be the criteria. Your job experience will be the criteria. Are you able to understand this point? Then sir, my path would be BTech, 2 years of job, and then abroad. Then this 7.5 CGPA will not be the criteria. Your whatever that you have done in your job, that would be the criteria. So basically the bottom line is that after clearing your BTech, if you want to stay in India, then anything above 7.5 CGPA would be more than enough. This is the maximum. Even 7 CGPA could be also more than enough. 7 CGPA would also work, but if you are having 7.5, then you are safe everywhere. You are safe everywhere. Okay, 7.5 means you are safe for masters everywhere. Okay, even getting 6.5 is also enough. Getting 7 above will be enough for clearing the cutoff of placements. You will be able to sit in the placements, and 7.5 more than enough. Okay, so don't care much about the CGPA. This is what I am saying. Even if you prepare for GATE examination, along with that, if you give some days for your semester examination, then you would be good enough to get 7.5 CGPA. Is that understandable to you? Okay. Now some unusual tips I am going to give. Okay, like a college senior, just consider me as a college senior only. So first thing is that you don't need to give too much of priority to semester examination. Why is that so? Because 7.5 CGPA would be more than enough. Okay, so you can study 4 to 5 days before the mid semester examination and 7 to 8 days before end semester examination. That should be more than enough. Okay, now during the semester exam, if it is possible, like during the semester exam it will not be possible. Let's just say my semester examination is starting on 5th of January. So on 1st January, 2nd January, and 3rd January, on these 3 days, I will still try to study for GATE examination for 30 minutes. In those 30 minutes, I can either solve some questions, or I can simply revise the notes, whatever the notes that I have made. Like basically, I want to be in touch with my GATE preparation at least for 30 minutes. On 4th of January, you will be preparing for your examination, which is taking place on 5th of January, right? So on 4th of January, I am not expecting you to study for GATE examination, but it's not that, sir, for before 8 days only, I have dropped studying for GATE examination completely. Now I'm only focusing on semester. You may focus on semester, but still in those 8 days as well, I would be expecting that 30 minutes you will be getting and you will be solving some problems, or you will be revising some notes, or if you want to learn some new concept, that also you can learn, but try getting 30 to 20 minutes on that particular day. That would be the criteria. Okay, that's one thing. Now, if you feel like that, sir, I'm not learning anything good in the college classes, like some professors are actually very good in your college and some professor will just waste your time, they will just satisfy their ego. So if you feel like that, sir, I'm not learning anything productive in the class, then you can try skipping it. If skipping the class is not possible, then try getting some DPP or some assignment problem in your class. Okay, you go to the class, in the class itself you can try solving those assignment problems, or you can revise the notes, like something regarding the GATE examination. You can utilize that particular time in an efficient manner. Don't just sit in the class and just look here or there. Try utilizing that particular time in the class itself. So this is how you can manage your preparation in with the college. Are you able to understand this point? People would be saying, sir, college is there, very hectic time is there. You see the results of GATE 2025. Okay, 2026 results will also come. I will tell you that a lot of people, most of the top rankers are getting the rank with the college itself. So with the college, it is surely possible. Okay, a lot of people manage their GATE preparation with the college itself. I was also in the college, only in third year only I got the rank. So yeah, in last year in EC, in third year, someone got AIR 1 as well. Are you able to understand this point? We are not targeting AIR 1. We are targeting a decent rank. We are targeting a good placement. So surely it is possible. Is that understandable to you? Right? So somehow you need to manage, and these are the things which you can try to manage your preparation with the college. Okay, but in college only studies are not also not there, some other things are also there, right? So let's discuss those things as well. So in the name of socializing, you are not going to join any kind of clubs or society. Okay, socializing is important. I always said, don't just sit and study in your college life. You need to socialize as well. You need to meet other people as well. You need to know how life goes, how the corporate life would go, and how your college life would go. Everything you need to experiment once in your life. But just for the sake of socializing, you are not going to join any kind of club or society. Is that understandable to you? Sir, I don't know how to dance. Why would you go for a dancing society? Just for some opposite gender, right? So that thing we are not going to do. Okay, so if you want to go for opposite gender, just go for it. Spend 5 to 10 days, give the effort of 5 to 10 days. If it is not working, drop it. Okay, nothing wrong in giving the effort of 5 to 10 days, but 5 to 10 days effort should be more than enough. Okay, then put your focus towards your GATE examination and placements. So just for the sake of socializing, don't waste your time. This is what I'm saying. Now, if you are someone in second year, third year, or fourth year, don't needlessly volunteer. Okay, don't pick up the chairs and don't do these kind of things. Okay, sir, I will go to the sponsorship team. I will be in the sponsorship team. Sir, I will get some sponsorship. You get into the sponsorship team. I'm not saying that you should not be in some team. You get into event management team, but don't do any work. Okay, first year guys are there, no? They are there for the sole reason only, right? They would not be doing anything productive in their first year, right? In the first year, no one studies. So let them do the work. You are not there to do the work. If you just want to get involved in some college fest, in some college event, you can get involved there, but don't do the work. You have other things as well. Okay, and if there would be some senior, some second year senior or third year senior or some fourth year senior might have said you that if you put in this particular college fest, I have this particular position, then companies would be preferring you. Absolutely not. Okay, no one cares about it. They also have been in their college, no, and they have been in corporate too, so they know what does this college events mean and how much work do they do. So no company is going to prefer you just because you are a event management head in a particular fest. No, it doesn't happen. Okay, they see your talent. In our field, it doesn't happen even 1%. Okay, in our field, if someone says that, sir, I was an event management head for a particular fest, it doesn't matter even 0.01% in our field, in core electronics. In some management fields as well, it would hardly matter 1%. That's it. Hardly it would matter 1%. If you want to get involved in some society, then it would be EDC. EDC means there would be some society of entrepreneurship development, no? Entrepreneurship development and sell. that kind of society would be there in your college. Okay, so in that E cell you can involve yourself. In your entrepreneurship society you can involve yourself. That might help you in your CAT examination. If you want to go for MBA, then if there is some good e-summit in your college, and if you have played a major role in that particular e-summit, if you have got good enough sponsor from your own side, then it may help you in your masters, in your MBA interviews, in the interviews of IIMs. That's the only thing that would help you from your college activity. Nothing else would help you. Okay, are you able to understand my point? And if you are someone who is going for the core field, they are not going to help you. They are just for your purpose of fun, and you can have the fun without doing any work, right? So I think I have given you enough idea what I am talking about, and you are mature enough to understand what I am talking about. Surely you need to enjoy your college fest. There will be two kind of fest, right? Technical fest would be there, major one technical fest would be there, and major one cultural fest would be there. Both would go around for 3 to 4 days, 3 to 4 days. So total 8 days would be there. In those 8 days, even if you are not touching book even for a single time, that's absolutely fine. When you are enjoying it completely. Okay, don't put any kind of stress on yourself. Okay, in those 8 days, 4 days for technical fest I'm saying, and 4 days for cultural fest I'm saying, no need to study. From my side, if you feel like that, sir, I need to study, you can study. But as an educator, as a senior, I would say, if you don't want to study, never study. Okay, during my time as well, when I was a student, I never studied in those days. And don't pick up the bad habits. Look, here I can say, but if you want to pick it up, you will pick it up. Okay, but yeah, as a student, try not to pick up the bad habits. If you have picked up, then try leaving it. Try leaving it completely. Don't say that, sir, after college life I will end it. Nothing ends after the college life. Okay, sir, as of now I am in my 4th year, so sir, currently I am doing it. But once the college life ends, I will be dropping all those things, and I will be a good human being, sir. I will start going gym, sir. I will build up my physique in a very good manner, sir. I will do this thing, that thing. कुछ नहीं होता कॉलेज के बाद, ठीक है ना? जैसी हैबिट्स बिल्डअप करोगे कॉलेज लाइफ में, वैसी हैबिट्स कैरी ऑन करोगे आप, ठीक है? यू विल बी कैरिंग ऑन all the habits that you have picked up in 3rd year or 4th year. So try not to pick up the bad habits. In the worst case, always remember that you are a student first. You came here as a student. Till the point that you are in college, you are a student. Don't forget that. Okay, and what is the primary job of student? To study. Student, student. So primary job is to study. Don't forget studying. No matter, like, in the name of enjoying, people actually forget about studying. Enjoyment doesn't mean that you shouldn't be putting the hard work. Put hard work in a certain amount, enjoy in a certain amount. Both things can go parallel, right? So yeah, that's the unusual tip or usual tip, whatever you can call it. These things I wanted to tell you. Now let's talk about our preparation strategy. Now we are only going to focus on GATE, placements, and internships. These are the points which are helpful for all the people. Now this video will go for EC electrical and instrumentation guys. Okay, mainly for EC electrical and instrumentation guys, because subject wise I will be talking about, right? So now this slide is for all the people, whether you are in 4th semester or 6th semester preparing for GATE or placements, whatever it is. This slide is for everyone, that you should be studying network, analog, and ADC from the same educator. Why is that so? Because all these subjects are highly interrelated. Now in electronics, actually all the subjects are interrelated. I will not say that, sir, signal is not related to network. Yes, surely they are interrelated. We will make a particular circuitry in network analysis. We will make a particular system, and that system will be analyzed using the frequency domain in signals and system. Now, whatever the frequency domain analysis that we learn in signal system, that same analysis will be used in communication system as well, right? So everywhere will be used. Now, whatever the transmitter and receiver you design in communication system, to join them, you will use the transmission line. Now, that transmission line you study in EMFT. Are you able to understand this point? Whatever the devices that you are going to use in analog circuits, those devices you will be studying in EDC. So all the subjects are actually interrelated, but network, analog, and ADC are actually highly interrelated. Are you able to understand this point? So should be studied from same educator. Similarly, signal and communication are actually highly interrelated, and these two subjects also should be studied from the same educator. I am not saying that you study from me only. Actually, I am going to teach all the 10 subjects. Okay, but I am not saying that you should be studying from me only. No matter from wherever you are studying, but should be studied from the same educator, because they are interrelated, and you should have the frequency of the same educator in all these subjects. Is that understandable to you? Okay, and same goes for electrical core as well. In electrical core, which all subjects will come? Power system, power electronics, and electrical machines. On the top level, these subjects will come. Along with that, EMFT and measurement is also considered as their core subject. But top level core subjects are electrical machines, power system and power electronics. They are also interrelated, so should be studied from the same educator. Okay, right? Now one thing, you cannot study analog before network. Like first you need to study network, then you can study analog. If some educator is claiming that I will teach you analog before studying network analysis only, then you can study from there. You can simply stop this video here and drop following this particular channel. But my strong opinion is, in any day you cannot study analog before studying network. Any worst day, okay? You can never study analog electronics before studying network analysis. So if you are thinking to study analog electronics, first you need to cover network analysis. Same goes for communication system as well. If you are thinking to study communication system, you need to study signals and system first. Okay, so first cover signals and system, then only go to communication system, because highly signal system will be used in communication system. Only the continuous time part. Okay, Fourier series, Fourier transform, basics of signal, basics of system will be highly used in communication system. So you cannot even think of studying communication system before signals. Okay. Now, if you are starting right from the zero, although I will give you a complete roadmap, but still if you are thinking to start right from the zero, then you should start from network or signals. I will surely give you a complete roadmap, but not all the people will be following the roadmap, right? So if you are thinking that, sir, I'm at absolutely zero, I don't even know a single thing, you should start from network or signals. Okay. But if you feel like that, sir, basics of signals I know, sir, basics of network analysis I know, sir, in semester examination somewhat I have studied. So if you want to start, then you can start with any subject, but don't start with analog or communication, because for studying analog and communication you need strong base of network and signals, right? So if you are not having the strong base, you feel like that, sir, decent base I am having. Now in my fourth semester, sir, I am having digital circuits. Can I study digital circuits now? Yes, you can study digital circuits. So in my fourth semester, sir, as of now I am having, sir, EMFT. Can I study EMFT now? If you have very minute knowledge of network analysis as well, then you can study EMFT. Okay, are you able to understand this point? So brief knowledge of signals and network will be required in all the subjects, right? So if you are starting from absolute zero, then start from network or signals. If you feel like that, sir, I want to synchronize with my college performance, like I want to synchronize with the college subjects. In my college, as of now, I am having digital circuits, EMFT. As of now, sir, I am having some other subjects, let's just say control systems. So sir, can I start from them? Yes, you can start from them. If you have decent enough knowledge, or very less knowledge of, even if you are having very less knowledge of network and signal, then also you can start. But don't ever start analog or communication without studying network or signals. Is that understandable to you? So this is the slide for those people who will not be able to follow my complete plan. In the next slide, I will be going to give you the plans. So those guys who will not be able to follow my complete plan, these 2 points were there for those kind of people. Okay, right? So let's get started now. One by one we will see. So first we are talking about fourth semester guys who are preparing for GATE and placements. I should say internship, because first when you move to the fifth semester, you guys will be having the internship opportunities as well. So I bet in place of saying placements, I should say internship, right? So fourth semester guys who are preparing for internships and GATE both. Okay, if you are preparing only for GATE examination, then I will make separate slide for you. But if you are someone who is thinking for GATE as well and internship as well, because you might be from tier 1 or tier 2 college where core companies would be visiting your campus. So if core companies are visiting like TI, Qualcomm or Nvidia, Analog Devices, AMD, a lot of companies are there, no? So if these companies are visiting your campus, then you might be preparing for those companies as well. Along with that, you are preparing for GATE as well. So how you should prepare? Let's get started. So your target would be that, sir, today I will be starting. From 1st January onwards, I will be starting, and I will be done with network, analog and digital by June 30. Now you know that, sir, first I need to study analog, first I need to study network, then only I can study analog. Digital is an independent subject, you can study before network as well. So it's up to you, how would you start? Sir, if I want to take 2 subjects in parallel, network and digital I will take. If I want to study only one subject, I can either study network or I can study only digital, right? So next subject I need to start analog. So before starting analog, you need to study network as well. So it's up to you how you take the subject. You just know that you cannot start your preparation from analog. So you can start your preparation from network as well, from digital as well. It's up to you which subject you want to take. Our target would be that by June 30th, no matter, sir, there will be semester examination, mid semester would be there, class test would be there, assignment would be there, labs will be there. Somehow, hook or crook, I will try to manage by 30th of June, I would be able to complete network, analog and digital completely. And study from a good resource which will make you prepare for GATE examination as well and for placements as well. And you know which resource is that. You can ask your seniors, okay, from where you should study. There is only one resource, I guess, on internet. Yeah, other resource could also be there who will claim that we will make you prepare for any kind of examination in the history of this electronics field. So you can study from there. But at least at UGPG level, I can make you prepare. This platform can make you prepare for both GATE and placements as well. And we are having more than enough people who have done so. Okay. Yeah. So let's not talk about our platform. Your senior can talk about it. But yeah. So this would be our target. 30th of June, network, analog and digital. Okay. Now this rough estimation I have put, that like 130 hours of effort it would be required to cover network analysis. What do I mean by effort? It's not that, sir, 130 hours of content would be there. 130 hours of effort would be required. Content would be of 80 to 85 hours. Now in 130 hours of effort you would be able to complete network analysis if you are not making your own note. Okay. Every good institute will give you printable notes. Whatever the teacher is teaching, let's just say if I am teaching this particular concept, so whatever that I am teaching, that would be written neatly in my notes only. Okay. You can check you can go to our Telegram group, you can see there we give printable notes. So those notes you can get print out and you can study with the printable notes itself. How to study with the printable notes, that I will tell you later on in this video only. But if you are not making your own notes, then 130 hours of effort would be more than enough to cover network analysis, 160 hours for analog electronics and 130 hours for digital electronics. For practicing, what you need to do, whatever the class notes problem we are solving, practice that again. Sir, in class notes you have already solved it, sir. When we are studying the class lecture, we already solved that particular problem. No, even after that you need to solve those problems again without looking at the solution. Along with that, you can solve the gate IQs. Along with that, you can focus on test series problems as well. Okay, there will be some good test series. We are also having some test series. We are having specific placement oriented test series as well. So focus on the test series problems, focus on the gate IQs and class notes problem. That should be more than enough practice. Okay. Now in the July month, you would be having semester break, right? So in that semester break, what you will do, sir, whatever that I have studied here, network, analog and digital, I will revise that. Along with that, I will be studying Verilog and CO as well, but because it will be helping me in my digital domain internships. Whatever that you are learning here, that will help you in internship as well, right? It's not that, sir, for GATE you need to study separately, for internship you need to study separately. Previously this was the trend, but now there is one good platform which will make you prepare for GATE examination as well and internship as well simultaneously. So you like pick up your resource in a good manner. The platform which is making you prepare for both examination, for both GATE as well and for placements, for internships as well, right? So whatever that you have studied there, that will also help you in a internship interview. Along with that, you can study Verilog and CO as well, because it will help you in your digital domain interviews. Okay, so this is how I will utilize my July month. So this would be the plan for next 6 months for me. Is that understandable to you? Or 7 months, because July month will also be utilized. Now your internships would be starting in August or September. Best case August, worst case till September. Till September, and whether you are in IIT or you are in NIT or you are in BITS, by the end of September everything would be ending. Now the thing would be, either you are getting internship or you are not getting internship. But we cannot sit idle, right? For 2 months we cannot sit idle. We will get started with signal system. Why signal system I am saying? Because signal system will help you in analog placements, in analog internship. If some company is coming for analog, they may ask signal system as well. Continuous time signal they can ask. I'm not saying that specifically you need to prepare it, but it can help you. Are you able to understand this point? But for 2 months, it's not that, sir, it will be internship time, so I will not be studying anything. Don't do that. Try not doing it. A lot of people does that. In 2 months, sir, they are studying network, analog and digital only because they want to get some good internship. If you fall in this category, you may fall in this category, but try not doing it. Is that understandable to you? Try not doing it. Try studying a new subject as well. That new subject which I have picked for you, that would be signal system. From July onwards, we will try it. Okay. Now by September, we will start from July onwards, but I know that there would be internship time as well. There would be a lot of pressure on you as well. So I know that you will not be able to do it in a quicker manner. That's in July, August only you will be able to do it. There would be some pressure as well, no? So by taking all the pressure and everything, by September, our target would be that, sir, at least we are done with network, analog, digital and signal. I don't know whether I got internship or not, but at least I would be done with these 4 subjects. So something good I can do in the next GATE attempt as well, in the 3rd year GATE attempt as well, right? So this would be our target till September end. Now what we are having? October, November, December, January. These 4 months we are having. So October and November, if I am from EC, I will be giving to EDC and mathematics. Okay, EDC and mathematics, 2 months, much more than enough. Sir, here I will be having semester examination as well. Still, it is much more than enough for EDC and mathematics. Okay, these 2 months are much more than enough for EDC and mathematics. And coming to, if you are someone from electrical, then you will be focusing on power electronics and mathematics. Okay, October and November. December for control system, complete December for control system. And in the January, we will be doing all the revision. It's not that, sir, October, November, December, I will not be doing any revision. I will be studying EDC and mathematics. Along with that, I will be doing the revision as well. Okay, revision part should be going parallelly. Revision part should always go on parallel, right? In the December as well, when I am studying control system, my revision part would keep on going, because a lot of time I am giving here. Here also a lot of time we are giving. So revision part would keep on going. And in the January, sir, which subject is left? Sir, EMFT is left, right? Sir, communication is left. Sir, you are dropping these subjects. Yes, we are dropping it. Don't worry. It's not that, sir, in third year only, sir, I want to get AIR 1. If you want to get AIR 1 in third year, then you have to put a significant amount of effort, right? A lot of effort you need to put. So here, if I'm saying that in 7 months you are preparing only 4 subjects, so in those 7 months you should prepare 6 to 7 subjects. But a decent student, an average student who likes to put 3 to 4 hours of effort, a decent effort if someone is putting, then this is the realistic target that he can put. Being in 4th semester, this is the realistic target I'm talking about, right? If you feel like that, sir, I need to complete all the syllabus, then put some extraordinary effort. I also completed my whole syllabus in the 3rd year itself, but there I needed to put some extraordinary effort. But I am making this video for all the average students. Next, I will tell you the plan after the gate, what you can do. So whatever the plan that I am telling here, that you can utilize in this particular period only. If you feel like that, sir, I need to complete the syllabus, right? But at least this much syllabus we will try to do. And in January, some important concept of whichever the left core subjects are there. Which subjects are left? EMFT and communication. So in January, some concepts we will try to deal. Which concept you need to study, that I will tell in January. Don't worry about that. Okay, that would be up to me. So January is long ahead, right? 12 months are there. 12 months are left. But let's see how do you perform in the next 12 months. In this 1 year, let's see how do you perform. Okay. Then we will be having gate in Feb. March, April and May, we will be giving to communication and EMFT. Okay. If I am from EC and if I am from electrical, then power system, machines, measurements and EMFT. Now it might happen that, sir, I would have got the internship. So in May month, your internship would start, right? So May, June, July would be going to internships. In that month, you will be focusing on your internship. Along with that, you will be preparing for placements as well. Like whatever the subject that I covered here, network, analog, digital, that I will be revising. Why is that so? 2 things are there. Once you get into the company for internship, then when the internship ends, some companies prefer taking interview again. Like your internship has ended, you have done good enough work. Now let's take your interview again once more. A lot of companies prefer that. Okay. Now in the worst case, let's just say you did not get the PPO. Then you will come back to campus. You will sit on campus for placements. So that particular thing will help you in the placements as well. So always I tell to all the students, no matter whether you have got the internship or not, you should have never left studying. You should never ever leave studying. Keep on studying. Who knows? No matter you have done brilliant work, still you might not end up getting PPO. It may happen. That's why I did not get the PPO. I also did not get the PPO during my internship. Okay. Although my work was not satisfactory, I admit that. My work was not satisfactory. There is no harm in admitting that, and I surely admit that. But anything can happen, no? So we should be prepared for the worst. So in that month, you will be studying whatever that you have already studied, and everyone would be doing some internship, no? Some rough internship you guys would be doing. So in that time, you would be focusing on your internship and you will be revising all your subjects. Which subject mainly? Analog, digital, signal, EDC or power electronics, Verilog, COA for the placement purpose. Why I have written power electronics here? Because like some companies like JLR and all these kind of companies, sometimes they prefer power electronics as well. Although they will come in IITs only. Okay. Some big companies which prefer power electronics, they ask some questions on choppers as well. I am not very confident about power electronics because Anish sir deal power electronics. So it's been roughly around 3 to 4 years since I have studied power electronics. When I was a student back then, I used to study power electronics, but yeah, as of now I might have forgot it. But a lot of companies in IITs, those companies would visit in IITs only, but they prefer companies like Jaguar and all. They will prefer power electronics sometimes. Okay, they can ask you questions on power electronics. So that's why for people of IIT, I'm saying that you can study power electronics, and EDC can also surely help you in placements, right? So these subjects you will be revising, and after that, August and September there will be placement season, right? So if you are getting placements, all good. And if you are just able to follow this particular roadmap that I have given, if you are able to put 3 to 4 hours of effort every day efficiently, 101% I'm saying that here you will be getting some good placements. And if in the worst possible case, if not a good placement, then in GATE 2028 you are going to do absolutely brilliant. Is that understandable to you? So whatever the time will be left, we will be focusing on placements, we will be focusing on the revision part, whatever that we have studied, we will keep on revising it. We are having more than enough time. So this is your complete roadmap of next 2 years. Are you able to understand this point? Then what will happen? Okay, I haven't told. So after that, like August, September, rest all the times will be for your revision purpose, and then you will be again writing down the GATE examination in 2028. So at least you will be good enough focused for GATE examination. If GATE examination, if placement season doesn't go well, at least your GATE examination would go well. And in the worst case, let's just say if GATE examination is also not going well, something you can go get off campus. In the worst case, sir, off campus also I am not able to get, then there will be ISRO examination, there will be BRC examination. If you have studied this much, if you have studied whatever that I have told you, if you are able to study all these things, then something good you will be getting by the end of your BTech. That is my sure shot guarantee. Today I can write it down on paper and sign it. But you need to put the effort. That's the only requirement. Whatever the plan that I have given, take the screenshot, put the effort. That's the only thing. And not very much of effort like blindly I need to study the way you used to study in JEE. No. Just you need to study something. 3 to 4 hours efficiently, follow the plan, something good will happen to you for sure. That's it. Okay. So that's the plan for 4th semester students. Now we will be moving to 6th semester guys who are preparing for both placements and GATE. So let me take a break and then I will come back. We will be talking about 6th semester guys preparing for both placements and GATE. Yeah, welcome back guys. So let's talk about the 6th semester guys. 6th semester guys who are preparing for both GATE and placements. Okay. So in the beginning of the video, I said that you need to study 4 hours per day, and if you study 4 hours per day, your job would be enough. Like you would be able to do well. But if you are starting right from the zero, okay, you are starting right from the zero. You are currently in some 6th semester, and you are thinking to go for a very good placement as well. Along with that, you are thinking to go for a GATE examination as well. Then you need to study more than 4 hours, roughly around 5 to 6 hours. Okay, you are currently in 6th semester. You are currently at complete zero. Sir, I wasted my complete engineering 5 semester. I have completely wasted. Now I want to start right from the zero. Sir, I need good placement as well. Sir, I need good GATE rank as well. Okay. Along with that, sir, there will be semester examination as well, quizzes as well, assignments as well, class tests as well. Sir, a lot of things would be there. I need to manage all these things. So you need to study more than 4 hours, 5 to 6 hours you need to put the effort. Okay. But if you want only GATE examination, then 4 hours may work. If you want only placement, then 4 hours may work. But if you want everything, then let me tell you the plan. Then you would get an idea that how much you need to study. Okay, so let's get started. Our plan would be that by 30th of June, what we will be starting with? We will be starting with network or digital. Okay, I have already said that you cannot do analog without studying network. So either you can start from network or you can start from digital. One of the subject you will pick up, and by 30th of June, we will try completing everything, network, analog and digital. And let me tell you guys, 6th semester is not having that much of pressure, right? 3rd semester was tough, I know. 4th semester was also tough. 5th semester was also tough. But 6th semester will not be that tough. Because here your EC core subjects will not come here. Computer organization, computer network, those kind of subjects would come, which is not a core EC subjects, right? So it is not going to be that tough. So you can put more effort with 30th of June, because you guys are starting right from the zero. So I would be expecting that you would be done with network, analog and digital. These 3 subjects you should be done, and study it in a good manner that all the gate QIQs you are able to solve, and if someone asks you any interview question, you will be able to solve that particular question. Study in that kind of manner. Okay, study from a good resource. And what is a good resource? You can ask your seniors who have got placed in a good MNC or who have got a good rank. You can ask them that, sir, what kind of questions were asked to you, and from where did you prepare? So they will be able to tell you that what kind of good resource you need to study, so that you will be prepared for GATE examination as well, and you would be prepared for placements as well. And I don't think there is I think there is only one platform. So yeah, you can ask your seniors. Okay. So watching the lectures, how much effort it would take? If you want to cover network analysis, it would take an effort of 130 hours. I'm not saying that content will be of 130 hours. Content would be of roughly around 80 hours, but it would take you 130 hours of effort. Are you able to understand this point? Okay. Now you should not be making your own note. If you are in 6th semester, you are having very less time. You cannot say that, sir, I will start right from the zero, sir, whatever that you are writing on the screen, I will write it down in my notes, neat and clean manner. That you cannot do as of now. You are not having that much of time left. It is the reality, sad reality. You cannot make your own notes. What we do, or what other coaching would also do, is that they would provide you printable notes. Okay, good printable notes they will provide you, where whatever that I am teaching, that would be written in your notes. So it's not that, sir, you are providing us notes of some other guy. No, this is not the notes of some other guy. This is my own notes. Whatever that I am teaching on the screen, that would be available in your notes. So how to study with the printable notes, that also I will tell you in this video only. In this video later on, when I talk about general queries, there this doubt will be clear, that how should I study with the lecture PDF. Okay, not lecture PDF, printable PDF, and those printable PDF you will get the printout, and from there you will study. So how will you study that particular thing, I will tell you, don't worry about it. But you cannot make your own note. This is what I am telling. Okay, in your class 11 12, when you were studying for JEE, then you would prefer making your own note, but this is not the time where you will be preferring your own note, because not enough time is there, right? Analog would take a complete hour of complete 160 hours of effort, and digital electronics would take also 130 hours of effort. Okay, what you need to do for practice purpose, whatever the problems that we are solving in the class, okay, class notes problem, whatever the problem that has been solved in your notes, that you will solve again. Sir, even though I have solved it during the class, still I will solve it again when I am revising my notes. Okay, so those problems needs to be solved again. Then there would be some test series. Other coaching institute also provide some test series. We also provide some test series. We provide placement specific test series as well. So what you will do, you will solve the test series problems, and along with that you can solve gate QIQs as well. So this will be your practice resource. That should be more than enough. Now in the July month, what you will be doing? In July month, you will be revising everything that you have studied. What you have studied? Network, analog and digital. Along with that, you will be studying Verilog and COA as well. Why Verilog and COA? Because it will be helping you in your digital domain placements. Is that understandable to you? Although this is a very, very big time, like January, February, March, April, May, June, July. 7 months I am giving you for only 3 subjects. Along with that, like, I would want you to be completely efficient in those 7 months regarding these 3 subjects, because at least you will have a very fair chance coming in August, right? Because till July, if you prepare all these things, very, very fair chance you will be having in August month for placements, right? Now look, placements will start in August for sure, right? For NITs, and for IITs it will start in December. But if we are preparing for GATE examination, we cannot sit that, sir, for August and September placement would go on, so sir, I would not study anything else, I will only see for placements. So if you majorly want to focus on placements only, then you can do this particular thing. But if you feel like that, sir, placement is also there and I need to focus on GATE examination as well, then in those 2 months as well you need to study something. Okay, for EC guys, I will say you can study signal system. For electrical guys as well, I would say signal system only, because this signal system may help you in your analog placements. What I'm saying, in your analog placement, your signal system may help you, because nowadays companies are preferring signal system as well. Analog companies, if someone is coming for the interview of analog, they may ask you some good questions on frequency response, on frequency spectrum. Okay, so if you do signal system, it would be helpful for you for your placement purpose as well. Okay, along with that you can study EDC as well. Signal system and EDC will not be that big. Along with that, EDC will also help you in placements as well, whether it is digital design placement or it is analog design placement. In both of the placements, EDC may help you, especially the MOSFET part. So that also you can study. So signal system and EDC both parallelly you can take. From July onwards only you can take. Okay, in July, August, September you can study these subjects. And EDC is not there in electrical syllabus. So if you are someone from electrical, then what you can study? You can study power electronics. Because if you are someone from IIT, then in IITs, like companies like Jaguar would come, they would prefer power electronics. Okay, some analog companies as well, like there is 1% probability that they can ask you questions from choppers and all. So if you are someone from electrical, then you can study power electronics. Okay, so placement season would be ending in September if you are someone from NIT or tier 2 college. Mostly it will end. Like it might happen that, sir, in October also some companies are coming, say in November as well or December as well companies are coming, but it is what it is. But mostly in September it would end, right? Like companies may still keep on coming, but in September if you are getting a good placement, you might be getting a good placement at that particular time only. Is that understandable to you? Okay, so by September end we would be targeting that we are done with network, analog, digital signals, and EDC. Okay, these 5 subjects we should be completely comfortable with. This would be our target by September. If you got a placement, very good. If you did not get a placement, you should buckle up now. You should have good temperament that in the remaining time I need to do well in at least GATE examination. If you have got good placement, then you would be also having confidence that yeah, now I am free enough, now I can prepare for my GATE examination. If you did not get the placement, then also you need to have the confidence that yeah, now I need to do something well, right? So by September end, this is what we will be expecting, that we will be completely comfortable with these subjects. Now in October and November, we will be studying control and mathematics. Two subjects are like, these are like in one of the month only it can be completed. In October itself, you can complete control and mathematics if you are good enough with mathematics. Okay, and somewhat somewhere you would have studied somewhat control system as well. So in October and in mid November, you would be able to cover, at least in 45 days, you will be able to cover both control and mathematics. Is that understandable to you? Okay, and then we need to cover communication and EMFT. In whichever the remaining time is there, we need to cover communication and EMFT. Along with that, we will be doing revision as well. Sir, what about aptitude? Aptitude can be covered in between. There is one separate video I have already made, that how you can cover aptitude for GATE examination. So that video you can watch, and in between when you are studying all these things, like in July when you are studying Verilog and COA, at that time you can cover aptitude. Or there is some college day where you might feel like that, sir, only 1 hour is there. In 1 hour, what I can do? In 1 hour, I cannot learn a new concept, sir. I don't feel like learning a new concept in 1 hour. So in that 1 hour, what you can do? You can study aptitude. So this is how you need to analyze your time for studying aptitude. Aptitude is not a separate subject. In between, when you are preparing for GATE examination, in between that particular time can be used for studying aptitude. Okay, well and good. And here, these subjects I have wrote for EC guys. Okay, in December and mid-January, you can study communication and EMFT for EC guys. For electrical guys, what you can study? You are left with electrical machines, power systems, EMFT and measurement. Although these are very major subject, especially electrical machines and especially electrical machines and power system, they are very major subject. So for electrical guys, what I would tell, in October, what you will be doing? October and November. For electrical guys, I am telling. Okay. So what you will be doing? You take electrical machines. Along with that, you take maths. In October, November, electrical machines and maths, and somewhat you start control system as well. Now in December, you try to complete control system and somewhat start your power system as well. Power electronics is already done, right? And then in January, what you can do? In January, you can take power electronics, sorry, power system, whatever that is left, EMFT and measurements. This is what you can do. So this is how you can proceed. This I am telling for electrical students. So you guys can take the screenshot. Because for electrical guys, electrical machines is very important actually. If you are someone thinking to go for GATE electrical, then electrical machines are very important. But let me tell you one thing. If you are someone who is aiming for VLSI profile, okay? If you are someone who is aiming for VLSI profile and you are thinking that, sir, I should go for masters. I want to go for masters. Sir, masters, and then I will go for some VLSI profile. PSU is not my target. PSU is not my target. I want to go for masters. Then instead of writing GATE electrical, you can go for GATE EC. Why is that so? Because when you are preparing for placements, you have studied analog and digital in a very good manner. But when it comes to GATE electrical, analog and digital will be hardly asked for 6 to 7 marks, and that too in not a very depth manner. In a very surface level it will be asked. So if you have studied network, analog, digital in a very good manner, then why should you go for GATE electrical? Go for GATE EC. And in GATE EC, even at lower marks, you get a very good rank. And in GATE EC, there are more seats of VLSI in IITs compared to GATE electrical. Like GATE EC guys will be preferred over GATE electrical guys. Are you able to understand this point? So when you have put so much of effort in these placements and all, and eventually your target is masters. If your target is PSU, then in PSU, if you are having a degree in electrical, then you need to write down the paper in electrical only. Are you able to understand this point? But in masters, they don't see your degree. They will see whether you have written the GATE in EC or in electrical, right? So this would be my recommendation from my side. Personal suggestion, like final call will be on you, but personal suggestion would be that you can go for GATE EC if you are someone who is preparing for placements in a very depth manner. Because roughly around 6 to 7 months you are spending only on network, analog, digital and signals. So you are actually studying them in a very good manner. Are you able to understand this point? Okay, well and good. Then in Fab, what will happen? Gate will happen, right? And now, sir, we are in fourth year, sir. We need to enjoy the life. We need to enjoy the life. From mid Fab to mid March, you will be having more than enough time. There would be nothing left. Okay, here in Fab, you have done well, you have done bad, doesn't matter. Okay, sir, I have given my level best for 1 year. Sir, I started from 1st January 2026, and then, sir, till Fab 2027, I gave my level best. Sir, it did not go well. It went well. I don't care. This time now I will enjoy my college life because very less time is left. Now, even if you have prepared for 1 year, if you have just given 4 hours per day in the same manner that I have given you, in the worst case you will be getting 600 plus score. Let me tell you. And if you get 600 plus score, you will be getting an interview call in ISC for sure. In one of the branches. And in one of the branches, if you are getting an interview call, just prepare well for the interview. Just 1 or 2 hours you need to study. 1 or 2 hours per day. That's it. In this mid-March to mid-April, hardly 1 or 2 hours per day you need to study. That would be more than enough for you to prepare for interview of ISC Bangalore. And what all things you need to study, from where you need to study, will be on me. Don't worry about it. Okay, it will be everything on me. Everything will be available for free only. Don't worry about it. Okay, so here after the gate examination, this thing I always do, that I bring everything for the student, because till the gate examination a lot of people are there, no? But after the gate examination you will not be there. You will not be there, like you will not be giving them revenue. That's the bottom line, right? So, but something has to be done after the gate examination as well, because gate examination is just the 60% part. 40% part would be starting after the gate examination. So that part we will take care. Even before the gate examination as well, we can take care. But it's up to you which coaching institute you want to go for. But after that as well, whatever that you need to prepare, that would be on us. Don't worry about it. Okay. So hardly 1 or 2 hours you need to study from mid March to mid April. Okay, this we are talking about 2027, right? So I say interview prep you need to do now in mid-April, some like roughly around in mid-April only you will have your ISC interview. If you have got it, good enough. If you did not get it, then then some other opportunities will also be there. 600 score is there, no? So some NITs at least you will be getting, top NITs, Suratkal, not Suratkal, like Calicut you can get in 600 score. Okay, so some top NITs you will be getting. Along with that, like you can try for MS as well, MS in IITs, or you can try for MTech in newer IITs as well. So a lot of opportunities would be there, so you can go for them. Or NSEM will also be there, and some final college days will also be there, farewell would be there, all these things would be there. So yeah, you will have more than enough time for the enjoyment as well, right? So just prepare well. In that manner, if you prepare well, I can guarantee you something good you will be getting, whether a good placement or a good seat in IITs or NITs or ISC, or you will end up having a very good career after your BTech. That I can tell you. Your BTech is not wasted, because once the guy moves to third year in 6th semester, he feels like that, sir, BTech is wasted. I did not study a single thing. Even if you have never studied a single thing in your BTech, even if you start now, you can do very well. If you are someone in 6th semester, sir, I never studied a single thing, can I do well in my life? Surely you can do well in your life. Just you need to put the effort, the required effort in the given direction. That's it. Okay. Like 6th semester guys needs very high motivation. They need very high motivation, that I know. But motivation doesn't bring you rank. Motivation doesn't bring you anything good. Not just rank, not just score, not just a good placement. It doesn't bring you actually anything. Motivation, these lines would work only for 1 or 2 days. The actual motivation would be your hard work. You need to put the hard work, and if you are able to put it, then there is no one who can stop you. Okay, yeah, that's it. So this should be your plan. Okay, so in June, what you will do, you will prepare well for interviews of masters or PSUs, right? Because in June you will be free. You will be free from all the college stuffs. So you will be preparing for interviews, whether it is for masters or it is for PSUs. Because for MS, IITs will be taking the interview, right? If you are someone who is aiming for MS, right? And then from July, either your corporate life would start, or like actually masters would start from August. Okay, not from July, but from July onwards, a lot of corporate companies would ask you to come. So your corporate life would start, or your masters would start. Okay, so that would be a second life after BTech. Okay, yeah, yeah, that's it about the 6th semester students who are preparing for both placements and gate. I hope now you guys are having a clear mindset. Okay, Now let's talk about fourth and sixth semester guys. EC, okay, fourth and sixth semester guys, especially for EC only, who are preparing for GATE, PSUs, BARC or ISRO. You guys are not having placements in your mind at all, sir. Placements are very poor. Forget about the placement, sir. Some guy is doing coding, he is doing this thing, that thing, sir. I don't want to go for it. Don't even think of it, okay. Some guys might have got a 15 LPA package off campus, sir. What if I would have done coding, this thing, that thing? Don't let all these things come into your mind. If you are preparing for a competitive examination, that is GATE. If you prepare well for GATE, then by default you will be able to prepare for BARC as well, for ISRO as well, or for any PSU examination as well. Our target is being in fourth semester or sixth semester, we are preparing for GATE examination. Okay, so path for you is very simple and very straightforward. This would be the preparation strategy that we would be using. That first we will be getting started with. I am talking about only EC guys. This is not for electrical. For electrical, separate part would be there. Okay. So our path would be clear that in parallel we will be starting network analysis, DC part only. Network analysis DC part. In DC part, what all things would come? Basics of network theorems, and transit analysis. So that part we will start. Along with that, here in parallel we will start EDC. Okay. Hardly it would take 50 days. Both of the subjects will take 50 days. Don't make your own notes. You need to study from PDF, not from PDF, but you need to get the printout of the PDF. So printable PDF we will give, not only us. If you are studying from some other resource as well, hopefully they will also give you printable notes. So what you will do, you will get the printout of the notes, and from there you will study. How to study with the printout of the notes, that I will tell you later on in this video. Okay, how to study with the printout of the notes, that I will tell you later on in this particular video only. Don't worry about that. Okay. After that 50 days it would take. After that, what you would do, you would take analog and digital in parallel. 60 days, hardly 60 days it would take. Okay, so network analysis DC part, EDC we have taken in parallel, then analog and digital in parallel we will take. Now these four subjects should be completed before this semester end. Semester end I am saying, not the semester break, semester end. Your semester might be ending in May or in June. In most of the colleges it will be ending in May. So by the end of May you should be done with network. Only the DC part, AC part we are leaving as of now. Network analysis, DC part, EDC, analog and digital, these four subjects. Say yes or no. Now in the end sem break, what we will do? We will revise everything that we have studied. What all we have studied? Network, EDC, analog and digital. Along with that, we will get started with the signal system, and like signal system we will start and complete it as well. Along with that, we will try to get started with mathematics. This would be our target. Like this is the best case that, sir, I will be able to do analog, digital, EDC and network completely in these 4 months. You might not be able to do it. Then what you will do? You will do it in sem break. Semester break will be of 2 months. You will be at your home. I am giving only signal and half of mathematics, which is actually very easily achievable. But I am thinking that a lot of guys would be having some backlog. Like some guys would not be able to cover digital completely. They will not be able to cover analog completely. So they would be having some backlog, right? So that's why in the end sem break, by the end sem break, we are expecting that network, EDC, analog, digital, signals, and somewhat mathematics should also be covered. Okay, somewhat mathematics, not complete. If you are not able to complete it, then somewhat it should be covered. Then again our semester would start. In this semester, in August, September, what we will be doing? We will be doing mathematics and communications. Okay, because just after studying signal system, you can study communication as well. And if you are having good enough knowledge of mathematics, then this mathematics knowledge will help you in communication as well, because probability will be highly used in communication. Okay, so that will also be helpful. Now in October, November, what we will do? We will do control system, EMFT, and whatever the remaining part of network analysis is there, that part we are going to do. Is that understandable to you? Okay, so this will be our flow. In October, November, this is what we will be doing, and easily it is achievable. Very easily it is achievable. Still, if someone is like not able to cover by November, then he can go till December as well, right? More than enough time we are having, no? Now, aptitude can be done in between. What is the meaning of in between? Let's just say, sir, today the day was very hectic, sir. Like professor gave us too much of tasks, sir. I was not getting much time, sir. Only 1 hour I will be able to get, sir. I don't think in 1 hour I can learn anything new. So in 1 hour, if you feel like that, sir, you cannot learn anything new, then in 1 hour, what you can study aptitude. Okay. So this is how you need to study aptitude in between of your college curriculum. Let's just say, sir, there is some lecture. In that lecture, sir, I don't find anything interesting, sir. This is a very boring lecture. What you will do? You will take some GATE PYQ notebook. Sorry, you will take some GATE PYQ textbook. You will solve some aptitude PYQ there. So that you can do. So how to study how to study aptitude in an efficient manner, that video I have already made. You need to go to our playlist of general aptitude. Their first video would be there, how to study general aptitude for GATE examination, that you can watch, and very efficiently you will be able to cover aptitude. Okay, so this is how we need to proceed for aptitude. Sir, what all practice resources are there? So for practice resources, what you need to do, you need to solve class notes problem, test series problems, and GATE PYQs. Whatever the problems that we are solving in the class notes, again you will solve while revising the notes. Whatever the problems that are there in test series, that you need to solve, along with that you need to solve GATE PYQs. So this would be our flow of studying and revision. Along with that, sir, after that January will be left, and some part of Feb will be left, sir. December may also be left. So in that, what we will do, we will write down a lot of test series. Okay, so a lot of test series we will write down, and we will proceed in our preparation. Okay, and like once you are done with network analysis or EDC, let's just say once you are done with two subjects, after that two subjects as well, you will start the test series. Like here only you will start the test series. When you are studying analog and digital, then you will be writing down the test series of network and EDC, because you should be comfortable with the test series. It's not that, sir, I will start my test series from November onwards. No, just do two subjects, start the test series. Okay, test series should be started after doing two subjects only. Okay, so that we are habitual with the questions. Is that understandable to you? Right, so this should be the path for EC student who are in 4th semester or 6th semester preparing for specifically GATE. You will be able to prepare for, if you prepare for GATE, then you will be prepared for BRC as well, ISRO as well. Well and good. Yeah, so this is done. Let's talk about 4th and 6th semester students, electrical guys who are preparing for GATE, PSUs, BARC or ISRO. So this is for electrical guys. For EC guys, I have already told the plan. Okay, so let's talk about the electrical guys now. Path for you is very simple, very straightforward. You are just preparing for GATE examination. If someone is preparing for placements, if some guy is saying that, sir, I'm getting off-campus job, this thing, that thing, don't care about anything else. Your focus should be towards GATE examination. Sir, I need to do well in my GATE examination. Just put your focus there. Sir, off-campus, should I join this training institute, that training institute? Sir, should I be building up my skills? Sir, should I be learning very low system, very low? Sir, this will be used in industry, that will be used. Don't think of anything else. As of now, my target is GATE examination. GATE examination will be done in Feb. After that as well, I will be having plenty of time to build up my skills. Right? So focus on one thing at a time. If you feel like that, sir, I should be focusing on off-campus placement, which I don't recommend. But if you feel like that, focusing on off-campus placement, focus on off-campus placement only. If you feel like focusing on GATE examination, focus on GATE examination only. One step at a time. Okay, so let's get started. How we will start? We will start with network analysis. Since this will be our first subject, so it will take some time. 25 days we will completely give to network analysis. We will do it completely. Okay, DC part, AC part, we will do it completely. Complete network analysis we will watch in those 25 days. Okay, then what we will do? We will start with electrical machines. Sir, usually people start electrical machines in the end, but here we will start in the beginning. Very important subject, very important for electrical student. I don't think any subject is more important than electrical machines for electrical student. So that we will start electrical machines. Along with that, we will start signal system in parallel. Okay, so 70 days it will take, roughly around 70 days it will take, and then in 15 days we will cover EMFT and measurement. Both are very small subjects, so in 15 days surely you can cover it. Okay, so by the end of this semester, semester will be ending in May or in June. So by the end of this semester, you should be comfortable with network, machines, signals, EMFT and measurement. I know it is a bit tougher task, but you will try to do it. Okay, now you can see that in end semester break, I have only put power electronics and mathematics. Power electronics is a very short subject. Okay, it is not a very vast subject. Roughly around in 70 hours, power electronics content can be completed, and 100 hours of effort it would take. So it is not a very vast subject. So power electronics you can do in semester break, and I am only putting mathematics, like you are just getting started with mathematics. Are you able to understand this point? Just started with mathematics. So basically in the end semester break, I am putting very less task. Why is that so? Because a lot of people will not be able to cover electrical machine, signal system, EMFT measurement and network analysis. They will be lagging in that particular part. So whatever the backlog that you are having, that backlog should be covered in the end semester break. That's why in the end semester break you would see that very less part I have put. Okay, and then in August again our semester will start. So in August and September we will be doing mathematics and power system. Again very less task I have put here. Right, till September, I am pretty sure that, sir, even if I lag in this particular part, till September, I will be able to cover it. Why is that so? Because here very less task you have put. In these 3 months, sorry, June, July, August, September, in those 4 months, we are only doing power system, mathematics, and power electronics. Right? So if you are lagging somewhere here, then that particular part can be completed in this particular time as well. Okay? In June, July, August, September. Understandable? Now in October, November, what we will be doing? We will be doing control, digital, and analog. Now, sir, digital and analog are very vast, sir. When we studied in semester, they were very tough subject. But for GATE, electrical, analog, and digital are not asked in that much depth. Are you able to understand this point? Network and analog combined would come for 6 to 7 marks, and they will also come on a very surface level. So electrical guys can be like a bit they can be a bit less focused towards digital and analog. If you see the plan of EC guys, I have put digital and analog here right in the beginning. But for electrical guys, I have put electrical machines in the beginning, because which is more important for you, that I need to take care. No, for electrical guys and for EC guys, analog is not same. For both of them, digital is also not same. Are you able to understand this point? Right? So that's why electrical machines is having higher priority, power system is having higher priority, power electronics is having power electronics. I forgot. Okay, so yeah, sorry. Power electronics in the end semester break we are doing. No, yeah. So power electronics is having higher priority, right? But digital and analog are coming in the end. Control is coming in the end because it is easy. What really happens with the student is that they study the tougher subject in the end. Let's just say you are in November, okay? You are in November and you are studying electrical machines. Now that will go till December. Now in November, December, what you will be thinking? Sir, I have studied 6 to 7 subjects. Do I remember it? So that pressure will be on your brain. Along with that, you will be studying electrical machines, which is a tough subject. So there also you will not be able to put your 100%. No. Understanding this point? In the end, people will study everything in a very fast manner. They will try to study everything in a fast manner. Okay, quickly. Tell me everything quickly. So what will happen? Important subject, tough subject, and you are not able to grasp it. Along with that, needless pressure you are creating. But if you take that particular subject in the beginning, the prerequisite of electrical machine is only the network analysis. So if you take this particular subject in the beginning, then the pressure would be gone. Right? And till the end, like you might have covered this particular subject, you will start this particular subject in February itself. So from Feb, March, April, May, June, July, you will be revising this subject a lot of time. And in the end, you will be comfortable that I am comfortable with the electrical core part. Electrical machine, I am comfortable. Power system, power electronics. So I am able to solve the problems. Then you will feel very good. Here, control system will not feel like a pressure. Digital analog will not feel like a pressure. Right? And after that, there will be a lot of time. You would be having good enough time for revision, test series, and class notes problems. So when you are revising a particular subject, what you will do? You will study the class notes. Okay. You will solve the GATE PYQs and you will write down the test series problem. Sir, when to start the test series? You will start the test series after this particular thing only. Just you are done with network analysis, you can start your test series. Okay. Well and good. Right? And this particular point, aptitude can be done in between. So in our aptitude playlist, you will go to our aptitude playlist. There will be very first video where I have told how to study aptitude. Okay. Complete video, complete roadmap I have told that how to study aptitude in a much efficient manner for GATE examination. So aptitude should not be treated as a separate subject. Okay. Aptitude should be studied when you are studying your network analysis, electrical machines. In that time only you can study. Let's just say, sir, there was very high pressure in today's class, sir. I was not getting much time, sir. I am only having hardly 1 hour. Only 1 hour I will be able to study. So in that 1 hour, what you can do? Sir, I don't feel like that, sir, I can learn anything new. So what I will do? In that 1 hour, sir, I can study aptitude. Okay, I can solve some questions of aptitude. I can study some concept. So this is how you need to utilize your time for studying aptitude. Understandable? Okay. So in a detailed manner, I have told in that particular video, you need to go to our aptitude playlist. There, very first video would be there that you need to watch. Okay. Yeah, then whatever the revision, backlog, whatever the test series, everything you need to do that you would be doing in December and Jan, and GATE will be in February. Okay. So yeah, that's it about electrical students who are in 4th or 6th semester preparing for GATE examination, PSUs, BIRC or ISRO. Okay, so you have one fair year, one fair attempt is there. Do your level best. Okay. Now this is for everyone. Okay. For everyone, whether you are from fourth semester, sixth semester, EC guy, electrical guy, preparing for GATE only, preparing for GATE plus placements, for BARC, PSU. This is for everyone. So very first ask, sir, how to study from the lecture PDF. That would be told here. Okay. So you can go to YouTube, simply type how to study from lecture PDF, PrepFusion. You can watch this particular video. Here complete strategy I have told. Okay. Second, how to watch the lectures efficiently. A lot of people don't even know how to watch online lecture. So here I have told how to watch lectures efficiently like a pro. PrepFusion, Himanshu Agarwal, you will type, you will get this video. Okay. How to solve PYQs and how to do the revision. Complete strategy I have told here. Look, I can put the videos here. No, if I have said how to solve the PYQs efficiently, I will not be able to tell, I will not be able to tell in this video. Right? Why I will not be able to tell? Because it would take a lot of time. Right? How to revise, it would take a lot of time. In brief, I can tell, but needlessly, why should I tell in brief? Simply go watch this video, Whatever the general query is there, every single query I have taken. Don't worry about it. Okay, and practical ways I am telling. It's not that do this thing, that thing, do yoga, pranayam. No. Practical things are there. Practically, how you should proceed in your preparation. Okay. Then how to be efficient and distraction free. Should not be there should not be any distraction. How to avoid the distraction. Again, practical ways are there. It's not that write on paper, see it, or those things are not there. Practically, how an engineer thinks, and how he can proceed in his preparation, how he can keep himself away from the distraction, and what all kind of distractions are also there. How you can make yourself efficient. That also I have told. So you can watch this particular video. So these are your general queries which you can watch. Now, when to start the test series? This is the first question. When I should start the test series? Once you are done with the first two subjects, only two subjects or one subject as well. Once you are done with one subject, you move to the new one. When you are moving to the new one, you are studying the new subject. You will write down the test series of the previous subject. You will solve the PYQs of the previous subject. You will revise the notes of the previous subject. So to be in the touch of the previous subject, what I am saying, to be in that touch of the previous subject which have been completed, you will either solve the PYQs or you will revise the notes or you will write down the test series. Okay. Now, which test series to buy? PrepFusion test series, you can check. A lot of free tests are there. You can check what kind of quality is there. Along with that, there are video solution as well for every single question. So you can buy the PrepFusion test series or you can take one more test series as well. So two test series you can buy and any other institute test series you can take and one test series you can take from PrepFusion. Okay. If you are having any other query, a lot of videos are there in this particular playlist. The name of the playlist is A Genuine Guidance. A lot of videos are there. If there is some specific query, you might be able to find it out in this particular video. Along with that, we will be coming, like we take live session in 1 month. I guess we at least take two to three session. Okay, in 1 month we try to take 2 to 3 live session on YouTube. So there also you can ask your query. Okay, but don't ask, sir, how to start the preparation. Why I am recording this 1 hour of video? Just for students only, know that this is how you can start the preparation. This is the roadmap. But there you can ask, like, if there is any specific query. That's why this is something that I'm not able to understand how to proceed, that you can ask in that particular live session. If you want to ask immediately, then you can ask in Telegram group as well. Just go to Telegram group, tag me there and put your query. If it is not a general query which I haven't answered in this particular playlist, then I would answer it there. Okay. So don't worry about guidance and all will never be less. Okay. Content will never be less. Everything would depend on you now. You need to study, that's it. Now let's talk about our courses. We are talking about PrepFusion courses now. So we are having two kind of courses, Titans batch and Pathfinders batch. Okay, two courses are there for EC and electrical. This is for EC, this is for electrical, this is for EC and this is for electrical. Along with that, there are subject wise courses as well and combo courses as well. In combo courses means there would be non-core combo. In non-core combo, you will be getting analog, digital, network, signals, control, mathematics and aptitude. Okay, and in core combo, you will be getting core subjects. For core subjects, in EC, you will be getting EMFT, EDC, communication and analog. And electrical, you will be getting EMFT, measurement, electrical machines, power system and power electronics. You can check our website, prepfusion.in. Our website is prepfusion.in. Okay, so simply type PrepFusion on Chrome browser. You will be able to go to our website. There you can check whatever the courses are there. Okay. Now, what is the difference between this Titans batch? What is the meaning of this Pathfinders batch? So complete information is given in these two videos. So simply go to YouTube, type GATE 2027 EC full batch orientation, Pathfinders and Titans batch, full information, PrepFusion, and same goes for electrical as well. So complete information is there about our courses in these two videos. So you can watch these two videos and you will surely feel like that this is the best quality content that you can get. Here, although we are not talking about the quality content, right? Because content you can see on YouTube, more than 1200 videos have been uploaded on YouTube. 200 videos will be of guidance, but 1000 will be of pure concepts. Okay, so those pure conceptual video you can watch and you can understand what kind of quality is there. If you want to see the reviews, that why should we trust the PrepFusion, so here I have made some paid comments. Okay, so what I did, I hired some guys and I paid them some amount, so they were making some paid comments here. So you can watch this video and you will get to see our paid comments. Actually, they are our paid students. Okay, they paid us. They are paid students, but they paid us. Okay, we did not pay them. So whoever the like all the guys who are studying from PrepFusion courses, some guys were there in Titans batch, some guys were there in Pathfinder batch. So I told them that I am making some video for 2027 guys. Please comment down. Whatever your reviews are there, I did not delete a single comment. Okay, I did not delete a single comment. Whatever the reviews are there, simply comment down. So in the comment section of this particular video, you don't need to watch this particular video because whatever that I have told in this video, that I have already told in this particular video as well. Okay, so you don't need to watch this video, just go to the comment section and see the reviews. What kind of reviews are there? Okay, so those who are generally our student, they have given their reviews here. Okay, and from that particular comment section only I will show you once the result comes in GATE 2025, in GATE 2026. Okay, in GATE 2026, from this comment section I will show you 5 under 100 ranker from this comment section only. Okay, 5 under 100 ranker from this comment section. I am telling you. Okay, so you can take the screenshot. So yeah, here comments are there from my students, and I am pretty confident about my content and pretty confident about my students as well, and pretty confident about all the features that we provide. Along with that, if you want to check the quality, then complete courses are available. This is the complete network theory course available. EDC is a very tough subject. Complete EDC course is available completely for free. You can watch the content. Complete EMFT content is available. Complete aptitude content is available. Complete electrical machines is available. And this year I will be bringing engineering mathematics as well on PrepFusion on this channel. This will be also completely available. Along with that, there are a lot of free content available. Signal system free content is there. Digital electronics free content is there. Communication content is there. You might feel like that digital communication is very tough. Try watching random variable, random processor, quantizer, threshold detector. Try watching these concepts from this particular platform once. Okay, if you feel like that, sir, they are very tough, then try watching it once. If you might have felt like, sir, EDC is very tough, so try watching concept of EDC from this particular playlist. Okay, yeah, so you would feel very good about it, that I can tell. So why to trust these guys? Who knows, these guys are paid. I paid them, right? So you can see the content on your own and you can see what kind of quality is there. Okay, like in a quick manner I am telling you the features. Here if you want to know the detailed features, then you can watch this particular video. But in a quick manner, I am telling you what all features are there. So there will be video lectures available. Along with that, there will be WhatsApp doubt solving group as well. So there, personally, I and Anish sir will be clearing the doubt. We are not just making the group. There we clear the doubts as well. Okay, I and Anish sir both will be connected. We will be clearing the doubt. If you are someone who is joining the Titans batch, then this will be only for Titans batch. Okay, so in Titans batch, what we do, we conduct a bi-weekly live session. So we give the link of Gmeet to our student. Their students will come and they can ask their query one-to-one. Okay, we will be available and you guys will also be available. So generally what we do is that people tell, like our student would tell us about their progress, that sir, this much I have studied, and then I tell them that this is how they can proceed in their preparation. So this is what goes in our one-to-one live session. Okay, so you can this particular thing is also there. Along with that, you will be getting neatly written lecture PDF as well. Both slides you will be getting, along with that printable PDF you will be also getting. What is the meaning of printable PDF? You can get the printout. And what is the meaning of slide? Slides would be helpful if someone is studying from some electronic device. Let's just say, sir, I am having tablet. So if you want to annotate on the tablet itself, then your slides will be helpful. Okay. Then in the class itself, we will be solving a lot of PYQs as well. Test series of every single chapter. It's not that, sir, we are making only 2 test series or 3 test series for a particular subject. For every single chapter. In signal system, how many chapters are there? 7 to 8 chapters are there, no? So we are making test series of 7 to 8 chapters. That kind of thing we are doing. Okay, so test series of every single chapter with video solution. Who is making video solution? Your educator is making video solution. Okay, I am making video solution. Anis sir is making video solution. Full and test series with the video solution will also be available. Along with that, we will be making a lot of revision videos as well. This year also we have made RPIQ signal system, we have made control system, we have made network analysis, we have made analog, we have made mathematics, we have made aptitude, we have made electrical machines, power electronics, power system we have made. Only a few subjects are left, which will be uploaded by 27 as well. Although this plan was for 27 only, not for 26, but this year only we started uploading a lot of revision videos as well. For 2027 as well, it will come, and a lot of other features will also come, like a lot of other courses will also come. So whoever is joining our Titans batch, he will get access to all the courses. Okay, a lot of courses would come. Whatever the courses would come, you will get the access to all the courses if you are our paid course student. Okay. Along with that, placement preparation will also be done in our full course only. Full course Titans batch. Okay, only in Titans batch. Whatever the placement courses are there, if you guys know that we provide analog VLSI placement courses as well and digital VLSI placement courses as well. So whatever the placement courses are there, that will also be available in our Titans batch only. Okay, detailed feature you can get to know in this particular video. And whatever the courses we are going to launch before 2027, everything would be available in our full course. So these are the features of our courses. Okay. Now common queries. What is the language, course language? English. Whatever the English language that I am speaking, that would be the language of our course. It's not that I am speaking any British language. हिंदी भाषा में भी बात कर सकता हूँ मैं, इंग्लिश में भी बात कर सकता हूँ. तो देखो ऐसा नहीं है कि आप लोगों को एक्सेंट समझ में नहीं आ रहा. ठीक है, तो would be the language would be English, right? And what is the device limit? Device limit is 2. What is the meaning of two device limit? You can log in any number of devices. In this PC I want to log in, you can log in. In other PC you want to log in, you can log in. In some third PC you want to log in, you can log in. In some mobile you want to log in, you can log in. You can log in any number of devices, but simultaneously if you want to watch, that's at 4 p.m. I want to watch the content in this PC as well, and I want to watch the content on this mobile as well. So simultaneously you will be able to watch in 2 devices. Is that understandable to you? Some guy is watching the same content on mobile, some guy is watching the same content on PC simultaneously. But if some guy is watching at 4 p.m. in this PC, some guys can watch the content at 6 p.m. in another PC. So login can be done in any number of devices, but simultaneously if you want to play the video, that can be done only in 2 devices, one in PC, one in mobile. Is that understandable to you? Okay, right? What are the course prices? For Titans batch, the course price is 10,419. You need to apply the code HNY, and it will be applicable till, let's make it applicable. I thought it should be there till 2nd of June, but 2nd of June is tomorrow only. So let's make it available till 5th of Jan. Not 2nd of June, sorry, 2nd of January, 5th of Jan. Okay, so let's make it available till 5th of January 2026. So you can apply the code HNY, and the batch will be available in, Titans batch will be available in 10,419, and Pathfinders is there in just 6,419. Okay, but there is one big announcement. We are going to collaborate with your college, not with your college, with your department or with your WhatsApp group or whatever you can call it. So what we can do, what you need to do, what you can do is that you can share this particular video in the WhatsApp group, in whatever the departmental WhatsApp group you are having. So you can share this particular video there. How it will help them? They can simply get to know that how they can prepare, right? And secondly, you can ask this particular thing. You can make this particular poll in the in your WhatsApp group, that how many of you guys are interested in taking PrepFusion course for 2027, okay, or 2028 as well. You can ask GATE or placement course. So there they can click I am interested, I am not interested, or you can simply put yes, I am interested, no, I am not interested. Whatever the poll you want to make, you can make that particular poll, and then you can send me the results on this particular number 90791085591, or if you are not getting the reply here, then you can send the results here. Okay, one of the guy will surely reply you. If more than 10 people are interested, like those who are genuinely interested, those who are taking the course, then we can reduce the price to 9,749 for Titans batch, and for Pathfinders we can reduce it to 6,000. If more than 20 people are interested, if more than 20 people are taking the course, then we can reduce it to roughly around 9,000 here, and here 5,600. So this much reduction we can do if more people are interested from your college. So this is the collaboration we are making, your college X PrepFusion. Okay, whatever the college that you are studying in, just simply make the poll in the class. You can share this video as well, so that they can get to know that why you are making this particular poll, and they can get to know about our free courses as well. They can study from here, EDC they can study, MFT they can study, and they can check the quality as well. Along with that, you can also tell, if you have already studied from this particular platform, then you can also tell them that what kind of quality is there. If they are interested, they can simply put here. If they are not interested, you can simply send me the poll results. Based on the poll results, I'll be telling what kind of discount you will be getting, and I will generate a particular promo code. Our team will generate a particular promo code and they will send you. Okay, it's not that, sir, here 10 people have said that we are interested, so I will not be able to generate the promo code. At least 15 people should say that they are interested, right? Because if 15 people are saying, that means 10 people will be buying. Are you able to understand this point? Because I know that what people will be doing, that simply put I am interested, but they will not be taking the course. So all these things we will take care, because the promo code will be linked with the email ID. So these things like scams you cannot do, right? So simply make the poll, just send me the honest result. I will surely generate the promo code for your college and you can get the courses in this much price. Already prices are actually very low. You can simply apply the code HNY. You can see that Pathfinder's batch is available in just 6,419. I don't think any coaching institute in India will give you prices at this much low price. And forget about the matching the quality. I can say it on paper. You will watch one video, okay? You will watch one of the subject and you will say that, sir, quality is unmatchable. That I can tell you. Quality of content is unmatchable here. It's just that prices are also very low. We can reduce more prices if from the same college, if a lot of students are coming. Okay, so this particular scenario is there, and try sending me before 4th of Jan. Okay, before 4th of January. Like if it is taking a bit late as well, like you are watching this video a bit late as well, then also you can try it. Okay, if it is applicable, then I will generate the promo code. If it is not applicable, then we can see something else. But try sending me, if you are watching this video today, try sending me by 4th of January your results, your poll results. Okay, then, yeah. Thank you very much. I hope you are having a clear idea about how to prepare for GATE examination, how to prepare for placements, how to have a better college life if you are someone in 4th semester or in 6th semester. Okay, then, yeah. Thank you very much. Happy life.